Welcome back to another makeup tutorial using the Sinful Colors shade Boss Singles that I found from Dollar Tree. And if you have green eyes, this look is definitely going to make your eyes pop. And I thought this look was perfect for spring also. And we're going to start by priming our lids. We're going to add some powder underneath our eye to catch fallout because these are powdery eyeshadows, let's be real. You're going to have some fallout on your face. First shade we're picking up is called Starry Eyed. This purple is absolutely stunning. Very beautiful. The only thing is you do have to build it up. And I'm taking this on like a fluffy kind of crease brush. And we're going to apply that in the outer corner. And we're going to sweep that into the crease area, as you can see there. You're literally going to have to build this shade up. It's so beautiful. But this shade does take a lot of work. And it's so beautiful and glittery and shimmery in the pan. But that doesn't really transfer onto your eye, especially in the crease. Maybe if you applied it on a secondary base, you definitely would see some of the shimmers. But it just applies just like a regular matte eyeshadow. And once again, we are just going to build that up. Keep pressing that in, sweeping it into the crease, doing different techniques just to build that shade up. Once it's built up, it's such a pretty purple. So we're going to take one of these LaColors Mermaid Shimmer eyeshadow pencils, and I'm going to apply the lightest shade of this pencil all over the lid. Now this is where our next eyeshadow to have something to adhere to, because I want a lot of its shimmers to shine through. And this is called Caught My Eye, the single here. It's a light shimmery pink. And we're going to take that on a flat shader brush and we are going to really pat that in, pack it on the lid, and just make sure that that base is really grabbing the shadow and it's really going to make the shadow pop. And this shadow would do fine on its own without that. But because I really wanted it to be the star of the shimmeriness, I definitely wanted it to have something to stick to. So we're just going to go in and keep adding purple and kind of blending as we go as well. And we're just slowly going to melt those eyeshadows together basically. And this look is really easy to achieve, and I really loved it for spring, and I thought that you guys might enjoy it as well. So now we're just going to take whatever's left on the brush we used in the crease, and we're really going to buff out the edges. We're going to blend them out towards the brow bone and just keep going over them and really just blending them out and just keep working on it. It's a process. And sometimes eyeshadow blending takes a long time. This is the NYX Single in Pure Skin. You see it a lot in my videos. I just really love it. It's a skin tone shade and I love it for highlighting. I definitely recommend this NYX eyeshadow for blending down and highlighting. We're gonna pick up some more of the Starry Eyed eyeshadow and we're applying that to our lower lash line. We're just gonna build that up down there. And you all know I'm a fan of colorful shadow at the bottom, so why not put that beautiful purple down there as well. Love how that looks. We're going to apply that beautiful pink in the inner corner there. Blend that in with the lower lash line purple. We're going to wipe away our fallout. And we're also going to tight line with Milani Stay Put eyeliner. You see this in like every video. We're only going about halfway on the lower waterline because I want my eyes to still look open and not completely closed off. We're using the Unshakeable eyeliner to do a very quick, thin liquid liner. I've been a fan of the thin liquid eyeliner lately, and just to give some more depth up there. And then we're going to use the Covergirl Supersizer Mascara I just love this nude liquid lipsticks from that brand. You could find them around Christmas. Love them. And we're going to set that with my favorite hard candy setting spray at the moment, which is the Glow setting spray. Not a fan of it at first, but love it now. So that's the look. Hope you enjoyed it. It's super easy. I thought to follow. Hopefully you will try it out for yourself. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to or have done a similar look to this. And don't forget to check the description box for additional links and a product list. Thank you guys always for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching.